Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change keyboard theme in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to change your keyboard theme, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you just have to open your settings app and here just look for general management, select it, then select Samsung keyboard settings. From here, just look for theme, tab on it, and here you'll get different system themes. You can easily select one of them which you want, but if you won't want these themes, you can easily install any colorful themes. So just open your Play Store app. From here, just go for search, and here you just have to randomly search for keyboard. Just search for it, and you'll get different keyboards like this. You just have to select one of them which you want, your font keyboard and colorful keyboards. I'm going to install this one. Just tap on it and then select install from here, and then you just have to wait for its installation. Just wait for it. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to make a simple setup. Just wait for its loading, and then we'll have a simple setup. And here just skip the ad first, then select next from here, then next again, and here select continue, and here select allow to send notifications, and you'll get different themes like this. You can easily install one of them which you want, and I'm going to install this one. Just tap on it, then select download for free, and here just select activate LED keyboard, then OK, and then select activate, enable the LED keyboard from here, then OK, and then OK again. Now go back and here select, now select LED keyboard from here, and this way you can easily change your keyboard like this. So that's how you can easily change your keyboard theme in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.